Greetings again everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here we have another algebraic exponential equation that we are going to solve, where we have 4 to the power of x is equal to 36 and we are given to find the value of x. Now you can pause this video and try to do this one by yourself, or you may check out my Math Olympiad playlist to see how to solve equations like these ones. If you'd like to learn how to solve Math Olympiad questions, you can smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for those videos. Now in this video you will be using logarithm to solve for the exponent x. We will be also using other math laws such as laws of indices to solve our equation. So our equation is that 4 to the power of x is equal to 36. And from here we can take log, so we take the log of both sides. So we say log 4 to the power of x is equal to the log of 36. We start to solve the variable x by using this logarithm rule that we have here, where it states that if we have an expression where we have log x to the power of y, this expression can be rewritten as y log x. So from here we take the variable x, like the y here, and we use this to express our equation. So we say x log 4 is equal to the log of 36. But the log of 36, we know that 6 is a squared number, which means that we would have 6 times 6. And 6 times 6 we know as 6 squared. So we can take this and put it into our equation as the log of 6 squared. Now just as we have x log 4, we can write log 6 squared as using our rule here. So we can actually rewrite this as x log 4 is equal to 2 log 6. So at the moment we have x log 4 is equal to 2 log 6. Now from here we are about to solve our equation by finding the value of x. So from here we solve x by dividing both sides by log 4. So we say x log 4 over log 4 is equal to 2 log 6 over log 4. Then we cancel out log 4 on the left, and on the right we are left with 2 log 6 over log 4. Log 4, we know that 4 is 2 times 2. And as we know that this is 2 squared. So we'll be replacing our 4 with 2 squared. So we'll have the log of 2 squared. So from here we have x is equal to 2 log 6 over log 2 squared. So we have 2 over log 6, so we'll write log here, and we will also take this 2, we'll put it right here. Now this 2 can be rewritten using our rule that we have here. We can have this written as 2 log 2. So that means we'll have x is equal to 2 log 6 over 2 log 2. And then we can cancel out our 2, and we are now left with log 6 over log 2. Now using another logarithm rule, we can simplify for the solution of x as log a over log b is equal to log base b of a. So we'll be using this to rewrite our solution for x. So therefore our solution for x is that x is equal to log base 2 of 6. Now from here we can try and plug in the value of x that we have here into our original equation to verify if this is true. So let's verify that x is equal to log base 2 of 6. So we do this by plugging in our value or x into our equation. So we'd have 4 to the power of x is equal to 36. Plugging in the value of x here would mean that we'd have 4 to the power of log base 2 of 6. equals 36. Now from here we know that 4 can be rewritten as 2 squared. So we have 2 squared in brackets powered by log base 2 of 6 equals 36. And now from here, using our law of indices, we can actually rewrite this using our law here where we have a to the power of m, and we would have this in brackets powered by n is the same as having a to the power of m times n. Now having this, we therefore can rewrite our exponent using this rule. So we have 2 to the power of 2 log base 2 of 6 is equal to 36. This 2 here, using what we have here in our logarithm rule, where if you look here, we see y log x, where this y is in front of the log x, as y was the exponent of x. So having the 2 in front of the log base 2 of 6 means that we can rewrite this as 2 to the power of log base 2 of 6 squared equals 36. Now here, we can actually simplify this expression here using this logarithm rule, where we have x to the power of log base x of y, where we have the same base x and x, this evaluates to y. So with this understanding, we can rewrite our expression here. So where we have the 2 here and the base 2 here, this evaluates to 6 squared. So from here we have 6 squared is equal to 36. And here we have it, we know that 6 squared is indeed equal to 36. Therefore, our solution for x is correct. X is equal to log base 2 of 6. Thanks again for staying tuned with me to the end of this video. I hope that this was very informative. If you like this video, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more updates like this. And until then, I will see you soon. Thanks again and take care.